All right, guys, we're back. Today is all about polyacrylic. Now, this is the top layer of protection that we're going to use on our base to make sure that it's able to withstand a lot of wear and tear over time. Now, this particular polyacrylic is water-based and it's designed specifically for soft wood, which is perfect for our base. And to be completely honest, when I first decided to apply this top coat, I wasn't really sure that it was going to make that much of a difference. But man, was I wrong. It made all the difference in the world, and it really helped the stain to pop, and it really gives it a nice clean look, a nice clean shine, subtle but pronounced enough that it can show through. So be back tomorrow for more. Peace.